Adding end screen to your channel is not just a feature, it's a feature that will enable YouTube or your subscribers to be able to watch any of your older videos that you have posted 2 months, 1 month, 1 week ago. Yes, end screen can give you more views. End screen can enable that your video that has been dead, that has not been having any views, to be able to still get views. End screen is very important. You need to add end screen to your videos, each of your videos. Any video that you know that is not performing anymore, it has gotten some videos and is not getting any views anymore, you need to add them to your recent video, especially to your popular videos that are still getting views. Add end screen to those videos. Now in this video I am going to be showing you how you can add end screen to your video, how you can do it very easily from your YouTube studio. It's so easy and it's fast. You can upload your video. When you are done, then you add your end screen. I'm going to be showing you a detailed video on how to do this without having any issue. So right now we're going to go to your YouTube Chrome version. You see, it was trying to take me back to my YouTube studio app, but God pass am. So now right now we're going to see where I'm already on a video though. So like I've uploaded this video before. Let me go back. So you can see all the videos I've uploaded. So what you do here is just to click on the pencil icon. So it's going to show video details. So now that you're in video details, you're going to see subtitle, public, subtitle, end screen, and cards. So let's go to cards. So this card is going to show depending on when my video is 10 minutes. So this card is going to show anytime that this is how it's going to show on your video. This is how it's going to show on your video. I have put card here before and it's going to show in 10, 30, 19. So I want to change the time so it will show like in the beginning of the video. I want it to show in the beginning of the video. This is the frame, 19 frame, minute, second, and 19 frame and frame. So I want it to show in the first 2 minutes. I don't know why it's not editing. I need to really delete. I need to delete this. So I'll just add it afresh. So this is it here. So when you want to add, you click video. It's going to take you to the video you want to add. So to take you to the video you want to add, you can add any of your video. It's going to take you to a previous video you have done before, or a video that you know that you are trying for your subscribers to watch after this one. Maybe they can watch that one. You have already uploaded the video before, so just click on the video. So when you click on the video, then you click on the time frame you want the video, because your video is 10 minutes. I want the time frame to be, I want the video to show in the first 2 minutes. It's because it's the phone interface, that's why it's behaving like this. If you're using a laptop, it's much better to use a laptop to do this thing. But those of us that don't have a laptop for now, I want to create content and you want to make sure that your YouTube channel is well optimized, you can go here through your Chrome and then optimize your video very well. Now since I have added this thing, I have to save it first. So let that one save. Then I've added the cards. You can see in that cards too, it's also showing when you want to add the card. When you want to, you can add another card here, either video, playlist, or channel. You can add another card. So playlist or channel, anyone you want. So now let's go to end screen. So end screen is supposed to show like, I've already added end screen to this, so I'm going to, what will I do here now? Let me, I've already added end screen, but I want to undo it. Oh, elements, video, most recent upload, best for viewers. Do you see? choose a specific video. You are going to choose a specific video. I want to choose another video. This is my top video that you are watching right now. So once I've done that, I'm going to put the time. Actually, the end screen for this, I don't know how I'm going to cancel the end screen I've done for this, because I want to remove the end screen and start it. Okay, yes, you can remove it here. You can delete it here. Okay. Now that I've deleted the end screen, I want to, for those that have not used the end screen before, this is how the interface is going to come. First of all, to tell you import from latest video, one subscribe, one playlist, one subscribe, two videos, depend on what you want. One video, one playlist, one video, one playlist, one subscribe. So let's work with this. So this is one video, one playlist, one subscribe. I will show how cards outline, like I will show the hover cards outline. I'm going to show you at the end of the video what this means. So this first one, now I'm going to choose the one I want. First one, then the second one, you click on this, you click on it. The second one is a playlist. You have to add a playlist for the second one. So you click on the playlist you want to add. So I've added the playlist. Now for this is the time frame is going to show your cards and end screen, and this is the time frame is going to show. I want to reduce the time. This is how it's going to give you issues. So this is a real time. It's going to really give you issues. So you have to be prepared for those issues, because you are using your phone, obviously. So I have to start again. Put in the video I want. It always happens when you are trying to choose. That always happens when you are trying to choose the video. Do you get? So if you know that you want to change the time here, so this is when it's going to show all over. I don't want it to show like that. I want it to show in 40. I want it to show in. I just pray it allows me. Pray so. I want it to show in 45 minutes, from 45 minutes. So once I'm done like that, I'll quickly save changes. Bam! Before it will. Okay, since I've saved changes, let me see what I did there. This is when the playlist is going to show. So this time, the time for the subscribe, I want to change it to 45 too. Oh, then 45 also. Then quickly save. You see that everything is coming back to the same timing. Then go back. It's remaining video. So it's showing. You click on it. So then you go and when you click on it to do your changes. So just go back, take 45, put the IV, then zoom back in and click save. Everything is now aligned to one. So once you've done this, that's fine. The cards will show, the end screen will show, everything is going to show. So I want to go back and see where that cards. I want to see where the cards is starting, the time when the cards is starting. Starting in 2 minutes 53 seconds. So let's go to the video. YouTube. Okay. This is the video. People are Now this is the result of it. I want to show you the time. I'm going to zoom this in so that you see the timing. It's going to that card is going to show at that particular time 2 minutes 53 seconds. It's going to show that. So I was waiting for the video to play. I thought it was 43 seconds, but 2 minutes 53. Oh, okay. Wait and wait and keep waiting and keep waiting. So once your viewers are watching this, they'll keep waiting and they see a pop-up. They'll want to play that one. Instead of them to, okay, like click off, they'll play another video. So I took it straight to 2 minutes 50 seconds so that you will see the cards pop up. It's going to pop up anytime from now. So
end screen may enable you to have more views on your videos. Now this is a screenshot of how this my video was getting more. How this my video got 1.1k views. Now it got to 1.1k views because I was putting it in almost all of my end screen videos. Almost all my videos, you are going to see this video there. It was getting a lot of attraction. You can see this bottom line there. It was getting a lot of attraction from end screen. Viewers are watching the video from end screen. So you need to put in your videos in end screen and also cards. Do not underestimate it. It works. Yes, don't leave your video blank like that. Make sure that you are putting your end screen and your cards in every video you upload on YouTube, because this is going to allow your videos to get more views. This is going to allow YouTube to be able to search for your video. People are going to be able to see your videos. You need to be able to do this so that your videos can get views, your post can be able to be out there, and your videos will get more views. Doing this is going to allow YouTube algorithm to always recommend your videos to new subscribers and new viewers, and those that are looking to watch any of your video and any of their concerns, they can be able to click on that video and watch that video.